I'm Robert Cosi. I'm the Associate Publisher of Canadian Contractor, and I'm here with Steve Senek. Steve's the President of DMX. DMX has produced this new product. Actually, it's made in Canada, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's manufactured here in Canada. In Ontario, believe it or not, Dalton McGuinty. We have manufacturing in Ontario. That's very good.
That's right.
And this product is for underlayment for basement floors. It helps keep the moisture off the finished flooring in the basement. Tell me a little bit about what's so good about this thing.
Absolutely. You're right. It is an underlayment, and it actually lifts your finished floor off the concrete slab by 1/4 inch. That's what these dimples do, right? Okay. So that you don't get any moisture coming into your flooring, and it doesn't warp your floors, it doesn't damage your floors. And for people that have home projects with floors, this is the product you should be looking at.
Okay, well, I mean, we've got other products like that. Here's an example of a similar kind of product that's got dimpling, or not, I don't know if it's called dimpling, but anyway, it raises the
creates an air gap.
Creates an air gap. What's the difference between this and that?
The difference between this is this comes in squares, right? Okay. And it comes with the plastic glued on to the OSB boards. Yeah. Our product comes in rolls. So this is what one of the rolls looks like. Okay. So it's 44 inches wide by 30 feet long, so it's 110 square feet.
So you don't have any seams. I mean, well, you got very few seams anyway.
Well, yeah, there are no seams because what happens is when you're putting the product down, and just for the sample, you know, for the sake of this this video, we just cut it so it's easier to see. But really, when you put the product down, and you've got two rolls that are being put side by side, you don't nest them. You just put them side by side like this, right? You take sheathing tape. You tape it down. So you press it down like this, all the way down, right? So it's together. So you've got your vapor tape, and then just to make sure that everything works okay, we cross it over like this, right? We cross it over like this. Is the way it goes in. So it looks a little bit messy on it, but this is going to be under your floor. So once it goes together, it's never going to be pulling off.
Okay. But hang on a second. But I mean, don't you still have to put some plywood on top of this before you put your subfloor?
No, you don't.
I mean, your main floor?
No, you don't. You can put laminate flooring directly on top of this. You can put engineered flooring directly on top of this because you don't have to nail it down. Okay. The only time you need to put an OSB on top of this is if you're putting carpet or hardwood floors because they've got to be nailed down. But if it's laminate or engineered, absolutely, you put it on top. The only thing is that, you know, we recommend that the laminate that you put on top of this is at least 10 millimeters thick. Okay, why is that? Because of deflection. You know, there's a possibility when you do the really, really light laminate, which is 8 millimeters, there's a possibility that the tongue and groove can come apart. Okay. Now I noticed that on this material, you've got kind of this foamy finish on the bottom half. It's an antibacterial foam. Antibacterial. So you mean it's like it'll actually has a chemical property that kills bacteria? That kills bacteria, kills mold. Yeah, under your floor, so you don't build up mold. That's the whole idea behind it, right? That's amazing. Is you don't want any mold to build up. You want to kill any bacteria underneath it, but it also provides a very, very comfortable floor to walk on, right? So when you've got those cold, damp concrete floors that you're walking on, especially in the wintertime, it's very comfortable to walk on. I mean, I've installed this stuff, and I know that one of the problems that I had with this is that it sort of rocks a little bit when the floor is uneven, and sometimes you end up with a gap that it doesn't quite fit. And then you have to. Then they talk about trying to shim it, which is very difficult to do when the floor is already laid down. That's because no floor is level, like. You know, like you do it. No floor is ever going to be level. So this thing follows it. Yeah. So this follows. All my floors were level, by the way. Oh yes, I'm sure. All the floors. Yes, without a doubt. But other people don't have them completely level, right? You know that. That's right. And in that case, this follows it because it's soft and comfortable. And we want to accommodate their failures, right? Yes. Yes. Okay. Beautiful. Yes. And I think this does. So you're going to put down a laminate floor directly on top of this. Yes. And then that's it. Basically, you're talking about a two-step process to do a basement floor. That's all you need. Our product retails for 65 cents a square foot. Okay. That's what it retails for. This product retails for $1.75 a square foot. Okay. That's more expensive. And our STC value is 69. We scored a 69. Okay. So to put that into perspective, when you're in a condo, right, they require a minimum STC value of 55. We're 69. Okay. All right. And then we also have something called an IIC test. IIC test is impact. That's what IIC, like heels walking on a floor. Yeah, and that would be a concern for me. I mean, the IIC would be a big issue. IIC, again, the requirement is 55. We scored 66, which the other guys can't match. You know what, Steve? You sold? I'm sold, man. Done. Where do you get this product? This product is available at Home Depot. Okay. Only Home Depot? At Home Depot, and very shortly we're going to be starting with Timber Mart. All right, beautiful. Yeah. Excellent. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks very much, Steve. Thanks for introducing your product to us. Thank you. I think I'm going to like this stuff. I'm going to try this on my basement. Do I get any freebie stuff here? Well, we'll try and work on something for you. Yeah, we'll try and work something out for you. Cool. Appreciate it. Thanks, Rob.